Hi Aries, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for another love bite. Just a mini read to check on how you guys are doing and if there's anything that you need to know. So, Aries, these are general collective readings, okay? Will not resonate with all of you out there. So, take what works for you, leave the rest. So, before we start your reading, I'm going to take one blessing to top the reading and see what blessing or advice there is for you now. My angels, one blessing or an advice card, please, for my Aries. One. Okay, safe travel comes out for you, Aries. No, don't get excited. You're not going anywhere. It's COVID time. I doubt if too many of you are traveling, but this card actually means that you are being transported from one phase of your life to another. Right? They look at this angel carrying this baby. That's you, Aries. And they're going to safely take you from one phase of your life without, it even affecting you. I mean, look at this angel wading in the water, not even allowing one little toe of this baby to get wet. That's exactly how you're going to be taken from your last chapter of your life into a brand new one. So lots of new beginnings coming for you, Aries, it seems. And without you kind of feeling the brunt of, the growing pains you have from you when you move from, even if you move house, it's so painful, isn't it? But here I see that your entire life is going to change, it seems, and it's going to be done in a beautiful way. You have a lot of support from the angels here. So let's start your reading. Quick one here, Aries. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for always showing up for me. I'm very blessed to have all of you here with me today. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. We welcome you in. And if any of you want a personal reading, you can always email me at my email, which is in the description box below. Aries, somebody is still very angry and very upset. Okay, this could be with a love partner. Why are you angry? Let's see. Okay. Two of Swords, Nine of Pentacles, and the King of Cups. No wonder you're angry and upset, Aries. Anyways, Michelle, the King of Cups is here again for you. So it seems that somebody is not making a decision and taking too long to decide. I mean, yes, I've seen in the earlier Aries readings and your comments that, why is he taking so long? If he has to show face, he might as well and get over with it. And yes, Aries is very upset right now because somebody's just got their blindfold on. They're not making a decision. Too much delay, and Aries has no patience anymore for this King of Cups, who is very not the easiest person to get a commitment out of. Even if they have love in their heart, they really can't show it very well, right? And that's why I think, Aries, you are really frustrated and angry with them. Let's see what's happening here. Nine of Swords, Ace of Cups, and the Judgment. Okay, so here's the reason why the delay is here, Aries. It's so clear. I haven't even used clarifiers yet, but here it is. Somebody is really stressed out about you. They can't sleep at night. They are having nightmares. They have headaches. They are overthinking. They feel all the love that there was in this partnership is drained out. Aries doesn't love me no more. What should I do? Boo-hoo. Okay, so this person has been crying over spilt love here. They feel that you don't love them anymore, and they are also cursing them own selves, saying, hey, it's my bad karma of all I'm getting the brunt of my bad karma that, Aries is no longer interested in me. And from what I see, Aries is sitting here angry and saying, hey, come on, buck up, why aren't you moving? But they are not moving because they fear that you don't love them anymore. And they feel that they have to kind of suffer for it now. The High Priestess, Five of Pentacles and the Seven of Swords. Yes, it's because you're so quiet. Maybe you're not, talking to them, you're not interacting with them, you're not messaging them. Earlier, maybe you were doing a lot of that. You were the one who was always showing the love and affection. So now, because you have gone quiet, Aries, this person is now feeling left out and abandoned and feeling rejected and dejected. And they feel that whatever they did to you has now kind of backfired on them. Right? So that is the reason they are not doing anything here. Let's take one clarifier for all these. This is exciting. Two of Swords, Spirit. Yes, Two of Swords, because they are emotionally totally in their head. They feel that maybe you've got secrets, or maybe they are feeling that emotional, and they don't have clarity right now as to how you feel, Aries. And that's the reason the delay is there, right? So, and why is the Nine of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit? Why is the Nine of Pentacles in reverse? Again, see, the delay is there because they're up in their head, Aries. They can't think straight. They are in a self-imposed prison of their own. They just can't see the path, in front of them, even though it's a straight road. Aries is saying, hey, come on, talk to me. But they feel you don't want to. So that's why the stress is not allowing them to make any movement. King of Cups. One card for the King of Cups, Spirit. Because you walked away. Did you walk away, Aries, from this person? Now, even if they feel the love in their heart for you, they don't know who to and how to show it to you, because you're no longer in their, maybe you're not around them. Maybe you've left state, you've left the place where you live, or they find it difficult maybe to approach you now because you've made it very clear that you're not interested and I'm walking away from you. So what are they thinking with the Nine of Swords, Spirit? They feel it's over, that Aries has shut the chapter down on me and Aries is no longer interested in me anymore. And that's the reason they are so stressed out. This reading is for all of you out there who've been commenting to say, they keep saying they're coming back, and why aren't they then? Here it is, the answer. Ace of Cups. Why do they feel Ace of Cups is in reverse, Spirit? Because they feel that, Aries, you have now regained your strength, you have pulled back your love, and you've put a lid on that cup of love. This cup of love, you've put a lid on it, and they don't have access to it anymore. You've covered your cup of love, you're not giving it to them, you're saving it all for yourself, and now Aries has become too strong for them. Aries has regained their power and is no longer giving them the way Aries used to maybe in the past. Judgment in reverse, Spirit. Why is the Judgment in reverse? Judgment in reverse. Yes, they feel that now they're getting the bad karma because earlier maybe they were behaving like the King of Wands, right? The King of Wands. Even though King of Wands is a powerful king, they are a bit self-centered. It's about their projects, it's about their travel, it's about me, and I'm so big and I'm so strong. And they know that this kind of behavior has got them their bad karma because they didn't share, or they didn't, whatever they didn't do, it was all about them in the past. And they know that this kind of behavior has led Aries now to turn their back on them, right? So that's the reason that the Judgment card is here. Why is the High Priestess here, Spirit, for Aries? They feel Aries used to be so in love. Aries used to always want this Four of Wands earlier, but now Aries is quiet and is not saying anything to me. They have sneaked away from this relationship, which could have been, which is something they felt that Aries always wanted, but now Aries has suddenly become the High Priestess, no longer demanding anything, no longer asking for anything, has just snuck away and left the scene totally, right? So I think they were very sure that Aries is always going to be needy, and they can always be the King of Wands and say, hey, no, I don't have time yet, I'm busy, I have this project going on. And now they see Aries as very quiet, no longer demanding. Aries is back in their power and has kind of, yes, like I said last time, Aries has left the building now. Elvis has left the building. So now they are feeling like the Five of Pentacles. Why do they feel like the Five of Pentacles, Spirit? Because now there is stagnancy here. There's barely any movement coming from Aries side. Even if there is something, it's that small that it's like sent to all kind of message, right? So they feel now they're feeling neglected. They're feeling Aries is no longer giving attention. Yes, and the stagnancy is only increasing with time. It's not the same anymore. It's just like the bare minimum maybe, or none at all, right? So with time, they don't see any progression. In fact, they're seeing more and more stagnation. Maybe they were waiting for you to reach out. Maybe they were waiting that one day Aries will crack. But now they are realizing that Aries is really serious this time. So Seven of Swords in reverse. Why do they feel that it's backfired? What's backfired on them? Oh my God, Aries. You know what? They were playing all these games because in heart of hearts, this is what they had for you. They wanted the Two of Cups. They knew you were their soulmate. They knew they had so much love for you. They were keeping you safe and secure, thinking that this is the person I'm going to end up with. This is my love, and I want to have long-term stability with this person. But now they think that all their plans have kind of backfired on them because of maybe their own selfish behavior now, because they were not there when the time was right. And now because Aries is now very upset and angry, and thinks that they are a control freak, or maybe they were a control freak, and now he or she is no longer giving to this equation because now they've gone. So now they feel all their dreams and desires have backfired on them because they didn't take action at the right time. They were so busy in their own selfish pursuits and saying, hey, Aries is not going anywhere. Aries wants this with me, right? So I will go to them when I have time. But now things have kind of really changed around. Let's take 3 cards for advice for you, Aries. 3 cards as advice for Aries, Spirit. 3 cards as advice for Aries, please. 3 cards as advice for Aries. I got 4. Okay, we'll take them. Two of Pentacles, Spirit. Why is the Two of Pentacles here? Page of Wands. Nine of Cups. And the Three of Swords. Wow. Beautiful. I don't need to clarify anymore. So what Spirit is saying, Aries, you don't have to do anything, okay? You don't have to go back and forth thinking whether this person is coming back. You don't have to stay at this crossroads if you don't know which way to turn. You have to drop the ball and you continue on your journey. There is absolutely no need for you to send any message or wait for any message. You don't have to put in any more work in this situation. You stay in your hermit mode and you stay connected with your spirituality right now. This person is, as time is going to go, this person is going to get more and more unhappy, right? Because their wishes are not going to come true. And that's when destiny is going to play a part. That's where divine timing will take place. That's when things will start moving. The more they are hurt, the more they're going to hurt, the more pain I think they're going to suffer, which is not nice for me to say, but yes, they, I think, need to feel the separation to that extent that's when they're going to head out and come to you with this offer of the 10 of Cups. Right? If you reach back too quickly, Aries, they may go back into that same cycle with you as the past. So right now, you keep yourself totally within yourself. You don't have to wait. You don't have to offer. You don't have to call. You have to put in absolutely zero work here. Okay, this is their lesson. This is their karmic lesson. To teach them something. I know what it is, but I'm not going to say it. Sounds too mean, right? But you all know what I'm talking about. So once they have learned their lesson, that's where things are going to move in divine timing. Okay, this has to be felt before they can realize the worth of this. They've always kept you here, right? Now it's their turn. So that's all I have for you, Aries. But don't worry, it's a safe travel. You are totally protected. You are totally sitting on the shoulders of an angel. All your dreams are going to come true. So you don't have to worry about anything. That's all I have for you. I hope you have a great weekend. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.